His shirt's gonna get so dirty. I can't.
Oh, he's so wet now.
I know. What did he think was gonna happen?
I know.
So do I stop recording or?
No, just keep.
Like, I mean, the grass is wet.
What happened to that little spike? Like legit, she was like.
I was keeping his shirt, so I was like, please don't. I'm not like his actual shirt. All of them.
I know.
Oh, Rosalie's just walking over here. Just wear the same shirt. Look at Rosalie just walking over here.
Catch her over here.
Oh, you're right.
I kind of hope we get that one out.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Yeah.
Me neither, Maria, because it all came out. Oh.
Yay!